Why I am going to stop the $5 challenge and the 52-week challenge? Yes. The reason why I'm going to stop it is because I am starting what's called the 10K challenge in 100 days. Yes, you heard me right. $10,000 in 100 days, and I can do it. Yes, I can. Because I know why I'm doing it. Because this challenge was developed for like entrepreneurs, you know, to kind of, so you can have a kind of nest egg. And I hadn't always desired to be an entrepreneur, but I kind of fell into being an entrepreneur by opening my Etsy shop, and now I have a YouTube channel, and you know, I want to work from home, so that would be beneficial for me, you know, once I retire. So I felt like this was the best time to go ahead and get serious. So I'm going to get serious and see the 10K in 100 days is going to push me to do a lot of other things that are not financial to get serious about being an entrepreneur. So yeah, one of my coworkers was telling me about this challenge because she's an entrepreneur. So a few of us at work are going to do it. And so I am starting today. Well, the first day that I'm going to start is July the 24th. And I will end it October the 31st. And if you count that up, that's 100 days. And the idea is for entrepreneurs. The reason why it's for entrepreneurs because you put money in an envelope every day. So, you know, of course, Mrs Vee, I am going to, you know, revise it to my lifestyle. So, you know, of course, as an entrepreneur, you make money every day. I mean, if you have a YouTube channel, you make money every day. I have an Etsy shop and a YouTube channel. That's about it for now until the Lord says different. So, in the $5 challenge, the total I had saved was $670. But during that course, I used $300 of it for some lawn care work I want to have done. So now, with the money that's in the envelopes and the money that's in the bank, so I'll just say liquid, I have $370 in the $5 challenge, and for the 52-week challenge, I have $344. And I'm also going to include my corn challenge, and I have $24 in it. And so that total is $738. And what I'm going to do is jumpstart the 10K challenge with the $738 I have already saved up. Yeah. So basically what it is, because you're an entrepreneur, because this was designed for entrepreneurs, you know, because normally you make some type of money every day. You put money in an envelope every day. So, you know, I'm going to revise it to my lifestyle. I will be, each week I will be checking in with you guys. And so I will have to put, during the course of that week, I need to pull 7 envelopes. I'm not going to physically pull envelopes. I'm just going to have this sheet that I printed out and then I laminated it. And then I'm going to mark off the envelopes that I have stuffed. And what I'm going to do is leave the money in the bank. And when it gets to, you know, when I get myself together, I'll transfer it all to Capital One 360, the high yield savings account. And also, I will count any interest that I get in their account towards the $10,000. I mean, $10,000 is $10,000. So, yeah, that's my plan. So I'll say, I can't say right now what I'm going to do with the money. I have an idea, but I'll wait to the end and tell you what I'm going to do with it. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'm transferring over to the 10K 100 envelope challenge. And what this challenge is going to do, it's going to force me, because I am very goal oriented. I love to set goals and I hate to fail. So this is going to force me to do some financial things that I need to do, and some business type things that I need to do that I just kind of been slacking on, didn't really want to do it. Like, I might do it and I might not. So this is going to kind of force me to do it. So, I don't know if you've ever heard of the 10K in 100 days, but you know, I know that's kind of pushing it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it, even though it's close to the holidays. So that's really going to make me push myself. So I'm going to tell you 5 strategies that I have to come up with the 10K in 100 days. Actually, it's $10,100. I'll probably give that $100 away at the end. I'll probably be so glad to make it there. So the first strategy I'm gonna have, first thing I'm gonna do is clear out my craft room and my entire house and my storage building. Anything that I do not have any use for at this moment in my life, especially anything that I hadn't used in the last year, I will be selling it on Facebook, Mercari, or in person. That's the first strategy. Sell unwanted items. It's time for me to do that. I keep saying I'm doing it, but this gonna push me to do it. And the second thing is I will work some overtime when it's available at my job. That's the second thing. The third thing, I'm gonna cut some expenses that I can, because one thing that I'm gonna look into is car insurance, because we have full coverage on all three of our vehicles, but all of our vehicles are over 10 years old. I'll just talk to my husband, and then we'll sit down with our insurance agent and just see, you know, about just getting liability insurance. I'm gonna see if it's gonna be worth it, because right now we do pay like $362 a month for that. So that's the third thing. The fourth thing is, of course, my side hustles. I'm going to get serious about YouTube. There's a lot of other stuff I can do to tweak my YouTube to get more views. And I'm just been lazy. So this is going to push me to do that. And I'm also get serious about my Etsy shop. I promoted a little bit. I'll mention it in a video, but I don't really market like I should. I'm going to get serious about that. I mean, because if you're going to do it, do it. So, okay, I'm talking to myself, y'all. Do it, do it. That's what I'm going to be doing. So that's the fourth thing. Get serious about my side hustles. And the fifth strategy I'm going to use is what I just said. I'm going to use the money from our previous challenges to go ahead and get started. So this is how I'm going to do. Since I already have $738, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start. I'm going to be smart, because I know there's going to be some short weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the 200. So I wrote down all the envelopes that I'm going to mark off. I'm just going to mark them off till I get to that dollar amount. So, hold on a minute. Okay, I'm back. So, 738. So we're going to go ahead and mark off 738 on this tracker here. I'll link this tracker if any of you guys are interested. I mean, most people probably ain't interested in trying to come up with no $10,000 in 100 days. But, you know, you never know what goals people have. So, here we go. So, I'm going to do 738. Then, I'm going to subtract. I'm going to go ahead and do the 100 envelope. See, these are 100 envelope, but each envelope is by 2. So, you got $2, $4, $6, and $8, and so forth. So that's how you end up with 10,100, because you know the regular 100 envelope challenge, you come up with half of this, 5,050. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and go full force. Me and my husband, he said, I asked him, did he think we could do it? He was like, yes, because he know his wife. So anyway, I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna give you a checkup every week. I'm gonna let you know the ups and downs. You know, I'm gonna keep it real. You know, because this is real life. All right, here we go. 738. Can you see it? Yeah, 738. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract. I think I did the 200. That's the top of it is the number of the envelope, and the bottom of it is the amount that you stuff. So envelope number 100 says 200. So we're going to subtract 200. So that's 538. Then we're going to subtract 99. Envelope number 99, that's 198. Then we're going to subtract 196. And they left me with 144. So I got to go find an envelope that has 144 in it. And this envelope number 72. So I've already marked off 4 envelopes, and I'm just getting started, of course, because you know I'm kind of cheating a little bit. I got money that I already had saved up, but that's okay. 10,000 is 10,000. So today is the 24th. So each week I should pull 7 envelopes. But what I'm gonna do is at the end of the week, after I do my cash stuffing and stuff my sinking funds and all that stuff, I'll see how much I have left for the savings challenge, and I'll do it just like this. I'm gonna be behind sometimes, and I'm gonna be ahead sometimes, just depending on how much I have to save. But this is gonna push me to really get serious. So this is the tracker. If you're interested, I'll have it linked in my description box if you're interested. And this is some of the cash money. And when I get ready to set up my Capital One 360, I'm gonna walk you guys through it and let you see me put the money in. So as of right now, I have $738 in the 10K challenge. So remember when I said I got to get serious about my Etsy shop? Yeah, I have an Etsy shop. I do have some cash envelopes, but before I started stuffing my sinking funds, I was selling and decorating badge holders. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the badge holders I have in my Etsy shop. And if you know anyone that works in healthcare or a teacher or anything that loves decorative badge holders, please share my shop. So I got to get serious. So yeah, I love decorating, so I got to start back decorating these badge holders. These are the ones that I have presently in my shop. Some of the ones anyway. So I'm just going to show you a few of them. So this is my happy place, my craft room. So I am going to get rid of some of the stuff. I think I'm going to get rid of my heat. I have a heat press in here. And I have some more stuff. I used to do t-shirts, but this is not really my passion. So yeah, this is great for a dancer or somebody who loves music. So yeah. So if you're not interested in purchasing anything, at least share it for me. I will appreciate it. So yeah. So those are the badge holders. So I'm going to put these badge holders back and I'm going to show you some of my envelopes that I have. Okay, you know I have the colorful envelopes. They come in a set of 5. I have those. And I'm going to go ahead and add some trackers. I mean, not the trackers, these bank teller slips. They're kind of different. They all similar, but then they have a little different stickers on them. I'll be adding these, and I think I'm going to add a Sharpie with them also. I hadn't decided yet, but these will be in my shop as well. And these are some more envelopes that I have created. Got a green one and these 2 designs here. So I have those. These are 6 3/4 or either 6 3/4. I have it on there so I can know. And then I have some smaller ones, 3.5 inches by 3 inches. These are some cash envelopes. Silver, different designs. And all the cash envelopes come with a free tracker. But if you just buy the tracker, it will come with a Sharpie. So I have that. And then let me show you one more thing. And I have these. That one comes with that bank teller. And then I have a set of 5 smaller ones. Very thick and well made. Have that one, and that one. So yeah. So I'm kind of excited about this challenge. I think it's really going to push me to do some things I need to do. So that's my decision. I am going to continue to do the coin challenge, but you know, as I roll my coins and get a decent amount of money, that would count as part of the proceeds that go to my 10K challenge. So yeah, y'all, I need you support. I need you guys support and cheer me on till I get this 10K in 100 days. And what I said I would do is after October, once I get it, you notice I said once I get it, I'm already claiming it. I'll take a 3-month break. So I'll take November, December, and January off, and I'll do it again. I think I'm doing it twice a year. That's going to be my challenge. So in between that time, I would probably do some of the smaller challenges. And then, you know, if I don't need that challenge money, I'll add it to the 10K challenge. So yeah, that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day. Happy savings.